Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need. Enable Xbox Developer Mode and sign into the developer dashboard. Once done, format a USB drive to FAT32 and copy the emulator install package plus the Ps2 BIOS. This is required for the emulator to boot. Make sure your PC and Xbox are on the same network so you can transfer files quickly. Also, back up any existing saves. Mistakes happen, and a backup saves time and frustration. You'll now deploy the emulator. Open the Xbox device portal from your PC and upload the emulator apps or PKG to the console while in developer mode. Once installed, copy the Ps2 BIOS to the emulator's expected folder and transfer your legally owned ISO files to internal or external storage. Make sure file names and permissions match the emulator's documentation. Mismatches cause boot failures. Finally, configure controller mapping so inputs register correctly before first launch. You're ready to run the emulator. Launch it, let it load the Ps2 BIOS, then open a game ISO or folder. Once running, adjust graphics backend, frame limiter, and CPU/thread settings to balance speed versus compatibility. Shaders and resolution scaling improve visuals but cost performance. If the game fails to boot, make sure the BIOS path is exact and readable. If crashes persist, reinstall the app package and enable logging to capture errors. Logs point to missing files or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.